Hi everyone, welcome back to Bucks Buddy. Have you ever thought if your house is piling up with a lot of gadgets? What do you do with old gadget when you buy a brand new gadget? Do you simply leave it behind, let the battery die and list it be added to your antique collection? Have you ever thought of an alternative for that? What if I told you that you cash your device for a better price? That sounds interesting, right? Today I am going to introduce you to Cashify, an app-cum website which allows you to sell your old gadgets. From your smartphone, tablet, laptop, TV, earbuds, and whatnot. You can even sell your car. The process is too simple. Go into the website. Choose the sell option. Select the gadget type, select the model. Now give the accurate information about the condition of the device. Once you have fed all the required information, you can choose the option for payout. The payout values can be increased if you choose gift card against liquid cash. You can also provide the promo codes I have mentioned in the description box to increase the value of your device. Happy earning! If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow the channel for more videos.